What's up, you guys? It's your Skinny Boy Randy. Hope you're having a great and growing day. I have on orange because, guess what? We're talking about carrots. Yes, you guys, today I'm going to give you carrots. Carrots take a long time to grow, you guys, in my opinion, certain brands. So, I'm going to give you about 4 months worth of growing in this short, quick video. Hopefully less than 4 minutes. Okay, you guys? I'm going to show you how to plant them from seed all the way up into what they look like in about 2 to 3 months. Yes, you guys, I have that much footage. I can't believe it. The more you grow and the weeks go by, you don't realize how much you really have. So I'm going to show you what I got from start to finish. So let's go. Hope you're having a blessed growing day. We're going to use our great soil that we made up of our cocoa core, our vermiculite, a little potting mix, and a little love, you guys. You know, you always got to put a little love in it. And for everybody who says, well, I don't know how to measure an inch. Okay, we're going to start with these carrot seeds from Valley Green, you guys. Carrot seeds are extremely small. Teeny, tiny, tiny. Okay? And they tell you to plant them about, just look at the back of your package. And it says planting depth of 1/2 inch. So a lot of people are like, look, I don't have a measurer, and I don't have a measurer, and I don't have a ruler and all that at the same time. If you don't have a measuring stick, you guys, if you do, use it. If you don't worry about it. A quarter is 1 inch from top to bottom and side to side, all the way around. A quarter is 1 inch. So if you take a quarter and stick down in your soil like that, that's 1 inch, okay? So, just to give you an idea how you can measure 1 inch, use a quarter. Yep, and I can show you and prove that to you on my little thingy. It's upside down, but look, from 1, 2, 3. 3 inches, you guys. You know, showing you step by step. Just a little tip, you know. Hey, so when you're starting your seeds, I go old school. I know my fingertip. Can you see it? This first little piece of my fingertip is about 1 inch. So I'm going to show you how I do 3 holes, okay? Just take my fingertip up to the first line of my finger. Right there. Not even the whole first line. 1, 2, 3. Did you see that, guys? I did 1, 2, 3. Okay? And these little teeny tiny seeds. A lot of people say plant multiple. I'm only going to put 2. 2 in each one. Just 2, because I'm realizing when you start doing just sprinkling them everywhere, it's a lot of more work. See these little teeny tiny seeds? It's a lot of more work later on, but you know, you do it what suits for you. So I'm just dropping 2 or 3 seeds in there, you guys. Bam. Carrot seeds are planted. Yes, in the greenhouse on the SkinnyBoy Farms. They're planting. That's just the seed part. So I told you I'm going to show you guys some transgression, some time lapse. So after about 3 weeks, yes, 3 weeks, you guys, 3 weeks, I'm thinking nothing's going to grow, nothing's going to grow, nothing's going to grow. You start to see something that looks like this. Okay? See something that looks like this. This is almost a whole month, you guys, before you even see this. See, that's a double over there. 2 plants coming up. Yeah. That's how slowly they grow. So don't be discouraged when you're wondering, my carrots aren't doing anything. Okay? And that's how it looks in about 3 to 4 weeks, you guys. Okay, in about 5 weeks, 6 weeks, you're not going to get that much more progress. It starts to look like this. I'm so proud to have this footage in my greenhouse. In about 5 weeks, you got this. Okay? Almost like the others, but see the difference? Just a little bigger. That's like 4.5, 5 weeks. And this is like 6, 7 weeks. Yes, you guys, literally 6 or 7 weeks on the carrots. Okay? And then what you're gonna see in about 8 weeks, you're gonna start seeing these. Looks like little carrot tops, right? Trying to let it focus. You see that? Carrots. And that's what you're gonna have in about 8-9 weeks. And then after that, you get here. And you guys, these carrots have been growing behind the greenhouse in my Home Depot bucket. I had no idea that some seeds had dropped down in here, and they must love the soil. Look at that, you guys. It's almost as tall as my hand. Several plants in here have taken well. But this is what you're gonna get. These are your carrots. Let me let you see. So, over the course of about 3 months, yeah, see how tall that is? And they were doing their own thing. They were getting rainwater. I'm trying to get down in here so you guys can see it. This is my carrot plant. Yes, you guys. SkinnyBoyRandy carrots. Can you believe it? I didn't know I had that much footage. So yeah, you guys, there you go. It's your SkinnyBoyRandy. Live, love, laugh, grow stuff, and eat it. I love you guys. You're the best. Try some carrots. Who knows? We're going to see how these do.